Reverse color map in matplotlib. I would like to know how to simply reverse the color order of a given color map in order to use it with plot_surface.
The standard color maps also all have reversed versions. They have the same names with underscore are tacked onto the end. Documentation here.
The solution is pretty straightforward. Suppose you want to use the autumn color map scheme, the standard version. To reverse the color map color spectrum, use get_map function and append _r to the color map title like this.
In matplotlib, a color map isn't a list, but it contains the list of its colors as colormap.colors. And the module matplotlib.colors provides a function listAcolorMap to generate a color map from a list. So you can reverse any color map by doing
As of matplotlib 2.0, there is a reverse method for listAcolorMap and linear segmented color map objects, so you can just do map_reverse equals map.reversed. Here is the documentation.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.